from what I heard, in the last 20 years it hadn't snowed so much. So you can blame the snow on him. And then he hurt himself, and then there's lots of stuff that happened, and we just pulled through it as one team. And our unit is fantastic. Our technicians, our director, cameraman, everybody has worked so hard on this film, and it's truly, truly, truly a labor of love.
Fantastic, fantastic. Come on, let's hear it for them. Super. 1953, an era that, none of us has probably actually seen or experienced except for in films and photographs. So how did you prepare for such a different look, a different feel to your characters? Anything interesting you want to share?
I stopped using my computer, I stopped using my phone, I stopped watching TV, I stopped misbehaving.
Stop drinking coffee.
Stop drinking coffee. I'm very calm actually when I don't drink coffee. Everybody thinks, oh, he's all high energy and animated and enthusiastic. It's only because of the coffee. I'm usually very, very calm. I had switched to green tea. Nowadays I'm back to coffee. So nowadays when I meet Sonakshi in the morning, I'm like, hey Sonakshi, what's up? You want some double espresso? You want double espresso shot? How are you feeling today? Are you feeling good? So yeah, the coffee can do that too. I'm a big caffeine junkie, so it's good to be back.
Fantastic. So welcome back to our world. And Sonakshi, as for you, minimalistic makeup and the 1950s look, the Meena Kumaris, the Waheeda Rehmans. Did you actually inspire from any actress or?
Well, to be really honest, I have never seen a black and white film.
Wow, okay.
And so yeah, we had certain preferences of Madhu Balaji, we had Suchitra Sen, and because they were the typical quintessential Indian heroines of that era, and so we took a leaf out of their book, The Last Leaf.
Fantastic. Yes, of course, it's based on The Last Leaf. So, super. I think both of you are looking absolutely amazing in the film. Working with Vikramaditya Motwane, coming back to the director as you mentioned. Udaan, as we all know, is a classic, absolute fun, a super film that goes down in the history, as to say. So, how is he as a director? Was he a tough taskmaster or you guys had fun?
He's actually very, very collaborative and very supportive to his actors. He's a really superior filmmaker. He has his creative genius, but at the same time that's backed up by immense technical knowledge. He's a very, very crafty director. He just knows his stuff. You could hire him to do any job on your film and he probably win an award for you. He can be a sound designer, he can be a cinematographer. Wow. Therefore, I feel he's the complete director. So he really is a class apart. Head and shoulders above the rest. You saw what he did in his very first film. Udaan has made it to the history books. It made it to Cannes. It made it to the most respected 100 best films of Indian cinema of all time, and that's his first film. So it really is testament to the potential. He really is a special director. I am a big watcher of Hindi films, and my biggest excitement about a film like Lutera would be the fact that it's his second film after Udaan. So, biggest attraction for me, is the director.
But for all of us, the biggest attraction is going to be? Absolutely, yeah. You both are looking so dishy in the film. Fantastic, super. And music by Amit Trivedi, which is, before you go, which are your favorite songs that, you'd like to share with the...
I want Sonakshi to sing her favorite song. Okay, we'll all support Sonakshi, won't we? Sonakshi will sing for us, and we'll all support with claps or snaps? Claps or snaps?
Claps.
Okay, claps. Thank you. I'll start you off. Ma'am, if I...
Why would you do this to me? See, this is what happens to me when he's on coffee.
I love
coffee.
One of my favorite things to do is trouble Sonakshi. Okay, I'll start you off. Okay, can we start?
Let me apologize beforehand. I'm not a pro at singing. Far from it. I'm actually a bathroom singer, so please bear with me.
Just close your eyes, imagine you're in the bathroom.
I'm actually going to shut my eyes, yeah.
Okay, you're in the bathroom with 300 people clapping.
Yeah.
Outside your window. Okay, let's hear it.
You have to start me off.
हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए दिलों की शोखियां जो भंवरे आके रूठ गए, बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों न मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं, शैम्पू डालते हुए सवार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं।
ये क्या कमाल हो गया जो अब किसान हो गया कि दिल निहाल हो गया।
श्याम कहाँ है?
वो तो बिट्टू को लेकर दवा खाने गया है।
आए तो उससे कह देना छेनू आया था। बहुत गर्मी है खून में तो बेशक आ जाए मैदान।
से डर नहीं लगता साहब, प्यार से लगता है।
अंदर के जानवर को बाहर निकालो, ये देखो वापस देखो। अंदर के जानवर को बाहर निकालो, ये देखो वापस देखो।
स्टाइल है बाबू भैया, राजू का स्टाइल। ये बाबूराव का स्टाइल है।
श्याम कहाँ है?
वो तो बिट्टू को लेकर दवा खाने गया है।
आए तो उससे कह देना छेनू आया था। बहुत गर्मी है खून में तो बेशक आ जाए मैदान में।
And I miss you.
Excuse me. Thank you.
I just want to thank you for being around.
Thank you so much.
I popped a perk and I said thank you.
Thank you.
हमारे पास पासपोर्ट नहीं है ना वीजा, लेकिन वादा करते हैं कि अब तो हम मुन्नी को खुद उसके घर छोड़कर ही आएंगे।
तुम क्या अपने आप को मुगल आजम हम लोग का अनारकली समझते हैं? कितना बता रहा है?
अंदर के जानवर को बाहर निकालो, ये देखो वापस देखो।
First rule of Fight Club is you do not talk about Fight Club. Second rule of Fight Club is you do not talk about Fight